Hello guys, welcome to another episode. We're about to get started on a project. If you want to find out what this is going to be about, well, make sure you stick around. Let's get started with this video. We're going to work on this order, and guess what? We didn't invest any money in getting any printers or heavy equipment to make this order. And these are the screen printed transfers that we're gonna use for this project. They are the one color value. We get them from proworld.com. And this is the best way to keep it affordable for your customer, all one color. Now the reasons or advantages of working with this type of material. Reason numero uno, this material will last longer than HTB. Now this is not to say that HTB is a bad product, but this one will last even longer. Second reason, less work. Since there's no need to cut or weed out any material, this will save a lot of time. And the third reason, more profits. Since you're gonna be doing less work, you're gonna save a lot of time and thus saving a lot of money. Now, one thing you gotta keep in mind though, for this to work, you have to have a minimum amount of t-shirts or garments. For this customer, we're gonna make 26 of them. So it totally makes sense to use this material. We're gonna use our 16 by 20 Hotronix heat press from stalls.com. We're just waiting for it to reach the temperature, and let's talk about the type of t-shirts that we're gonna use. This is the brand Gildan, 50% cotton, 50 polyester. We're also gonna make some hoodies. This is the brand, exactly the same brand actually, Gildan. Remember that if you wanna support our channel, you can get your garments and even the materials and equipment. We're gonna have the links in the description of the video. That's how we make some extra money. We get paid if you guys buy anything from those links. We appreciate your support. Thank you. And if you're wondering about the instructions that you must follow to apply your transfers, don't worry about it. Just go to proworld.com and you can find the information there. Sometimes you will get a small piece of paper in the box where it tells you or gives you all the instructions to follow. A couple additional tools that we might use. The heat transfer tape. This is designed for this type of job, so it's not just any kind of tape. And the measuring tape to make sure that we center the logo before we apply it. We're gonna start by heat pressing one of the hoodies. The first thing he's gonna do, he's gonna pre-press the garment for a few seconds to get rid of the moist and the wrinkles. After that, he's gonna bring the logo and try to center it. This one I'm doing 8 inches, since this is a large size. So 8 inches below the shoulder line. Yeah. If you want to secure the transfer, you can use the heat transfer tape. Once you apply the tape, you can do exactly what Luis is gonna do, just to make sure that the logo looks aligned. Now he's gonna give the full cycle, 14 seconds, 310 degrees. You can do a hot peel, right? Yeah, just do it carefully. Now we're gonna repeat the same steps on the back. He's going to pre-press it for a few seconds. The good thing about this type of tape is that you can reuse it at least 5 times. And so far we haven't had any issues while removing the paper backing, right? Yeah. No issues at all. Be careful because it's really hot. Yeah, just do it carefully. Now you can definitely see the contrast. Before you applied it, it looked almost white, like the back side of it, but look at that. There's no adhesive on the transfers, so you can always place them like that on top of each other. If you're liking this video, make sure that you give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for your support. Another product that we have used for full color images is the DTF transfer. If you can't afford investing in a digital printer, this might be the cheapest way to make and sell this kind of product. And you can get it exactly from the same place. make sure you check out our channel for more information about this and other kinds of products. And this is what working from home looks like. If you can call that work. Nacho is making sure that Luis is doing a good job of applying the logos. It looks good. We are finished with the hoodies. Now it's time to start working on the t-shirts. We're finally done with this order. I don't get tired of telling you guys how much time we save by doing this process, and this is the reason why we strongly recommend that you do the same if you are not currently doing it. Not just the screen printed transfers, but also the DTF transfers. We have videos where we show you how we use those. Not only did we save time and money by outsourcing our screen printed transfers, but we also outsource business cards, and this is a great way to make some extra money if you do not want to invest in heavy equipment or printers. If you want to learn more about this design, what tools and how we created it, make sure to go to our channel. We have a video where we show exactly what steps we follow and the tool that we use to create this. Remember that if you would like to support our channel, we have memberships available. Just go to the join button and you will get all the options available to different memberships. Remember that if you want to use our most recent tool, make sure to select the premium membership. Plus, you will also be able to use the decal calculator and other tools. We have videos where we show you how to use each one of them. If you like this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you guys until the next one.